Most people use Australia Post without realizing there are a few simple tricks that can save time, avoid delivery problems, and make sending parcel much easier, whether you are shipping occasionally or every week. These tips can help you get the most out of the service. Always double check the delivery address before sending a parcel. Even a small mistake in the postcode or street number can delay delivery or cause the item to be returned. If you are sending variable items, adding tracking and the appropriate extra cover and can provide additional peace of mind. Instead of waiting in line at a post office, consider creating and paying for your shipping label online. This can speed up the drop-off process, and depending on the service you use, you may also have access to extra features like tracking and easier parcel management. Keep an eye on your parcel using the Australia Post app or online tracking. You will receive updates as your shipment moves through the delivery network, making it easier to know when to expect delivery or spot in unexpected delays early. If you know you will not be home, you can explore deliveries or options such as parcel lockers, collection points, or other available delivery preferences while eligible. These services can make receiving parcel more convenient and reduce the chance of a missed delivery. A few smart habits can make a big difference when using Australia Post. Planning ahead, checking your parcel details carefully, and using the available tracking and delivery tools can help your shipments arrive more smoothly and with few surprises. That's it. If you found these tips useful, stay tuned for